Hello, lads. A lot of young men face the same issue, right? We all want to self-develop. We all want to improve ourselves. We all want to move forward in life constantly. That's what we respond to well as men, right? Now, the problem is a lot of guys get kind of plateaued by their environment, whether that's the type of people that they're hanging out with or just the place that they are in general is a very low vibrational place. And I can really relate to this because I began my journey of development of self and exploration of self when I was still in the UK, living in my mom's house, which was a super fucking low vibrational place. I can't stress to you enough, like it was just soul crushing for me to be there. And I'm grafting, I'm doing the right things, but like a rubber band, I seem to sort of just snap back to my old self identity. Now what changed for me and what actually allowed me to continually progress forward was changing that environment, getting the fuck out of there, out of my mom's house, and out of the country, the UK, out of those social circles, out of a place where as an ambitious man, you're constantly punished. You are constantly punished for being an ambitious person in the UK. Whether that's by your friends or the government itself or just the environment as a whole. You're constantly being raped in the UK as an ambitious man, which is why you just keep rubber banding back to your original place because your environment's working against you. You're constantly swimming upstream and it doesn't have to be that way. It shouldn't be that way. It's designed that way so that you stay stuck. And no amount of watching self-development YouTube videos is actually going to change that, sadly. And this is the trap which a lot of young men are in. Let me tell you right now, the absolute most important thing every single person in this situation should be focusing on is making enough money online so that you can get the fuck out of that environment, so you can actually explore yourself more. Because there's this weird concept around money and making money that it's shallow. I had a comment earlier which was like, oh, money is your god, because I talked about how spending some time in Dubai was really inspirational for me and being around a bunch of guys. Guys, money is not a god. I've never said that as well. But money allows you the freedom as a man to actually do shit. For example, at the start of this year, I decided I'm gonna have a fight. And if you don't know, a boxing fight, it's not you just show up on the night and have a fight. No, there is months of preparation before the fight. I was training like a fucking dog for 2 months straight, which meant that I had to take a step back from my work so that I could focus on that. And guess what? I allowed myself the freedom to do that because I'm able to make money. You understand? I've set myself up in a position where I can go off and do random shit, farm dad law, because I make money online.
You should have landed a peach over right.
How's that little singing?
Should have been a cowboy. Should have rolled a ride. And that is the fundamental thing which most young men are missing with their self-development. You're not able to take a next day flight to some fucking island and go climb a waterfall with your friends. You're not able to just book an Airbnb in a fucking treehouse and spend 2 days off your technology, journaling, meditating. You're not able to go to dinners with guys who are absolutely crushing it in life, crushing it in business, crushing it in relationships, having one-to-one conversations with them so that you can actually continue to move forward, because this energy is infectious. This winner's energy is infectious. And you're in the UK or America or your hometown, and there's just not many fucking like-minded guys out there. And I was saying this to one of my students earlier. One of my students literally landed in Thailand yesterday. There's about 20 of my students living in Bangkok now, which is awesome. I said to him, like, bro, the best thing about Thailand is that it serves as a filter. Like, losers don't make it out to Thailand. They're too lazy, they're too unambitious. They'll spend their money on buying a PlayStation rather than some learning resources, which will literally completely change their fucking life. So it serves as a filter. So everyone you meet out here is like on the same page, super awesome. And outside of crypto guys and also OnlyFans manager guys, everyone I meet are really dialed in, not only just on business. We're not just like super autistic about business, money, selling our souls for money, you know. There's plenty of fucking bozos like that, trust me, I know. But the guys I hang out with anyway, you attract what you are. They're about fucking total masculine essence as a whole. Every facet of masculine excellence, not just making money, not just providing, but spirituality, physicality, everything, all of it. But if you're not making money online so that you can get the fuck out of these low vibrational environments, if you're not making money so you can afford time away from the bullshit, so that you can experiment. For example, right now, I'm making a film now, you know. Why the fuck not? I'll make a film. Because that's what my heart desires. I'm making a film about my fight. These things I'm able to do because I have the money side of things locked down. If I need to make money at any time, as long as I have my laptop and Wi-Fi, I know I can open up Premiere Pro, edit some videos, and spawn money into my bank account whenever I want. And that is an absolutely insane, powerful feeling. The freedom that gives you as a man, the confidence it gives you. If I want to do shit, if I want to go off somewhere and self-develop in other areas of my life, exactly like I did with my fight, I'm able to. Most men aren't able to do that because they have this fucking really unhealthy relationship with money. They think it's evil. They think it's a bad thing to want to make money. Absolutely retarded. Money is not evil. Money gives you the freedom as a man so that you can experiment, explore, self-develop, self-discover. That's how I use my money. And that is how you should use your money as well. And you need to fucking make money online. Like, holy fuck, dude. I can't stress to you enough the difference it makes being out in Thailand. Every single one of my students who book a flight out here, sometimes they book the one way and they're like, I'm just fucking staying here, I'm convinced, Sam, you know, because they see how we're fucking living in the Academy of Excellence. I'm constantly hanging out with my students. We're sat in co-works, doing creative work together. We're having fun. We're doing double dates. Just fucking fun shit. We're living our fucking lives while making money online. But then some of my students, they book, you know, a flight and they're like, okay, I'll stick around for 2 weeks. I'll see if I like it. Every single time they do that, they fucking stay. Or if they don't stay, they go back and they're back within 2 to 3 months. Every single time. And that is not a coincidence. You need to make money online. You need to have the ability to open up your laptop with Wi-Fi and spawn money in your bank account. That is the highest ROI thing you can do for your own self-development as a man. Exploring every facet of masculine excellence is near enough impossible while you're constantly being strangled by your environment, by your government, by the people around you. It is near enough impossible. Video editing has completely changed my life. And it's changed the lives of absolutely every single one of my students who has followed my advice inside of the Academy of Excellence. This shit is fucking real, okay? I know there's a lot of guys out there who sell you bullshit. They sell you this flimsy bullshit idea of, like, you know, community, or they sell you this dream like, oh yeah, making this money, you'll be making fucking 20k within 5 minutes of job. I know there's a lot of bullshit, okay? Listen, I know. But I fucking promise you, the tangible, real skill of video editing is only going up in value. And I promise you this as well, as an absolute expert in this field, video editing has been my life for over 10 years now. There is nowhere near enough genuinely really good editors for all of the new personal brands that are being made constantly. Everyone and their dead nan are making personal brands, they're making YouTube videos. These guys, these top performers, they need a top performer editor. If you position yourself correctly in that market, you will be a fucking money printing, aura farming, absolute Chad. And that is exactly what we do inside of the Academy of Excellence. I'll teach you from fucking scratch how to edit videos, how to get clients. I even help my students get clients because I'm so well connected. All the time people come to me for work. Oh, Sam, I need a video editor, I need a video editor. I'm the go-to guy. I hand all of those jobs off to my students every single time. The Academy of Excellence makes printing cash through video editing absolutely fucking retard proof. If you've had enough of your hometown, if you don't want to work the 9 to 5 anymore, you want the financial, location, and the creative freedom that video editing gives you, for the love of God, stop fucking waiting, because every day that you're in that environment, which is constantly trying to drown you and strangle you, is another day where you're not making tangible progress as a man. Stop waiting If it sounds like something that you could get into, just fucking book a call below, okay? Book a call, we'll have a chat, and we'll see if it's right for you. I've helped hundreds of my students quit their 9-to-5 jobs, go all in on video editing, and now they have the freedom to travel the world and do whatever the fuck they want. A lot of them move here to Bangkok, Thailand, because we have an awesome network of guys here. You could be next. Literally yesterday, one of my students, Michael, landed here. We all played pool together. Sick. Fucking sick. And now, right now, as we speak, he's actually on a date. Bro wasted fucking no time. I guarantee the amount of experience he gains as a man, even in the first week of being here, will be 10x what he got in a fucking entire year back in his hometown. That could be you, but you need to take action, bro, okay? Building a skill which will allow you to spawn money into your bank account from your laptop will give you all of the freedom to self-develop yourself as a man. I hope this video makes sense. Stop seeing money as evil. Money allowed me to take 2 months off to have a fight camp and to have a fight, which I won, by the way. That completely changed how I carry myself as a man. Looking another man across from me, who in his eyes, he wants to kill me, this guy. Really. He had like these eyes of a prisoner who is literally about to fucking stab me. And I looked him dead in the eyes, nice and calm. I took his punches. It's another day in the office for me. I prepared myself for war. I came out on top. And I came out the other side of that experience a completely different man with a different presence, different eye contact. That's self-development. And video editing and making money allowed me to do that. And I wish the same for you as well, watching this. Take the leap, book in that call. It's not even a leap, it's just a fucking call, bro. Okay, it's just a call. God bless you all. Take care.